Do you know that Wordle fans have unofficially been developing their own language? Do you speak Wordle? You may love playing Wordle, but can you speak it? A New York Times article recently revealed the new vocabulary, which it says was compiled by one of its readers, Outside Observer. So let's see how good your Wordle vocabulary is. What do you call a solution in one guess? I personally call it lucky, but the New York Times and Outside Observer have a better answer, and that is ace. What do you call a solution in two guesses? Deuce, a twofer, or a two-stepper, or from golfing terminology, an eagle, which is 2 under par. What do you call a solution in three guesses? I'm sure you're going to get this one. A threefer, a three-stepper, or a birdie, which again, from golfing terminology, is 1 under par, which I didn't know, so I learned something there. What do you call a solution in 4 steps? Par, from golfing terminology. So the average number of rounds that it takes somebody, a Wordle player, to get the correct answer is 4. So in Wordle world, a par is 4, but it can also be referred to as a fourfer or a 4-stepper. What do you call a solution in 5 guesses? Okay, a fiver, a 5-stepper, or from the golfing world, a bogey. And there's also a little emoji that can go with it, and there's one on the screen. You can see the bogey emoji. Say that fast 5 times. And what do you call a solution in 6 guesses? Okay. First of all, the first is PHEW, I'm sure. Well, hopefully you haven't seen it. I've seen it on a number of occasions because you've almost lost. Or a double bogey, which again from golfing is 2 over par. I can't bring myself to call it a 6-stepper because that's really pushing it. Do you like this terminology? Do you have any different terminology that you use? I've got a few. Let us know in the comments, and if there's sufficient interest, we'll do more like this. And of course, please check out our other Wordle, Zelle, and job interview broadcasts. Happy Wordling.